Hi everybody, so this is just going to be a quick tutorial showing you how to get into the Zoom webinar with Michael Shiels. So you'll be sent an email, and in the email you will have a link which you will click and it will bring up this screen. You also will be given a password which you have to enter to get to this part of the screen. So if you just click launch meeting and then join from your browser if you don't have the Zoom app downloaded. Now in here, this is where you're going to enter your name. Now this name has to be exactly the same as the one that you entered when purchasing your ticket. This is just to make sure that we know that you're 100% and it's the same person. And then you have to click I'm not a robot just to verify yourself. Then press join. Then in meeting password, this is where you enter the password that you were given in the email and you enter your email address as well. Make sure this is the same one that you bought your ticket with as well. Now you're into the webinar. So as you can see here, you do your join audio by computer. This is just to make sure that you can hear everything going on in the seminar. At the bottom here, there's a chat option. So this is where you will enter any chats that you've got and everybody can see. You can raise your hand to make sure that the host can see that you're there and to get your attention. And there's a Q&A section as well. So this is where you will enter your questions for the host. You can send them anonymously if you want, or you can just leave your name on them. So you can also see your own questions as well as other people's questions just using these two tabs here at the top. So like I say, this is the chat feature here. Now, if you don't want to have the chat feature opened and you don't want to see what people are doing, you can just use the X button here at the top and press close. That'll get rid of the chat for you. In this bottom corner, there are just some audio settings. If you need sort of any help with audio, that's where you'll be fixing them. And then in the top corner here, you will see the details of the webinar. Now, if you want to leave the webinar, there's a button there in the bottom corner that's in red. It says leave webinar. You just click that and that will get you to leave the webinar. So that was just a really quick overview of everything that you need to do to get in. It's a very simple process and hopefully this video helps. We're all really looking forward to seeing you at the webinar and I hope you're as excited as we are. So yeah, see you then.